Hello, welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is covering Adult Social Care Activity and Finance Report. So we've got data going back to 2018. There's over 5 million rows of data, so it's fairly detailed. There's actually more detail than that because I'll show you the two tables. As existing customers know, we normally convert headings into a generic term like measure name and then the value in it as measure value, thereby ensuring the measure names are always matching the value correctly. The thing is, this has got several columns, and this table here has got 46 columns, and there's already 5 million rows of data, so that would be many times that many rows. So we've kept the columns separate, as you can see here. Just for the demo, I've queried what's in those columns so you can get an idea of the sort of data. So in this table, the ASC FR descriptions, ASC FR stands for Adult Social Care Finance Return. I'll just scroll down and you can pause the video to read what's in there. That's that. And the other table, SALT descriptions. SALT stands for short and long-term support, and even more columns, as you can see. There's just these values at the end. And again, I'll just scroll down so you can pause the video if you want to find any particular values. Obviously, ask us for a free trial so you can get access and then you can query it properly. That's the whole thing. Thanks.